Which Indian dish is made with rice and lentils and often seasoned with turmeric?
The correct answer is khichdi.
What is the main ingredient in paneer tikka?
The correct answer is cottage cheese.
Which Indian bread is cooked in a tandoor?
The correct answer is naan.
What spice gives turmeric its yellow color?
The correct answer is curcumin.
Which state is famous for the dish dhokla?
The correct answer is Gujarat.
What is chana masala made from?
The correct answer is chickpeas.
Which dessert is made from milk solids and soaked in sugar syrup?
The correct answer is gulab jamun.
What is the key ingredient in sambar?
The correct answer is lentils.
Which spice is commonly used in garam masala?
The correct answer is cinnamon.
In which state is Rogan Josh a popular dish?
The correct answer is Kashmir.
What type of dish is idli?
The correct answer is fermented rice cake.
What gives butter chicken its creamy texture?
The correct answer is cream.
Which of these is a souring agent used in Indian food?
The correct answer is tamarind.
What is bhel puri?
The correct answer is savory snack.
Which bread is deep fried?
The correct answer is bhatura.
What is traditionally used to cook tandoori chicken?
The correct answer is clay oven.
Which spice is often chewed as a mouth freshener in India?
The correct answer is fennel seeds.
What is lassi?
The correct answer is yogurt-based drink.
What is the main ingredient in poha?
The correct answer is rice flakes.
Vindaloo is a spicy curry from which Indian region?
The correct answer is Goa.